Hello and welcome to this week's Agfarm Market Update. Chicago wheat futures have continued their bullish run from last week and are trading up a further 10 cents per bushel or $4.50 Australian dollars per tonne. The Australian dollar is weaker this week, trading at 78.45 against the greenback. Grain markets in Australia continue to remain firm across all port zones, with stronger offshore markets and Australian wheat gaining more traction with export demand. Agfarm Advantage March 4 sells a 25% portion per month of your grain from March through till June, allowing you to benefit from any rallies that may occur over that time period. Advantage March 4 will be closing this Friday, the 2nd of March. To ensure you don't miss out, please call your local Agfarm account manager on 1300 243 276 or visit agfarm.com.au/March 4. Thanks for watching this week's edition of the Agfarm Market Update.